vegetable or a fruit.
Okay.
D for dog.
Noodles.
Noodles is not a fruit or a vegetable. Tea is not a fruit. That's a drink.
Yes, it's a drink. H for
Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to my next vlog.
Okay.
चले जी, आज हम एक गेम खेलने लगे हैं।
Yeah.
A to Z हमने या फ्रूट नेम बताना है या
Vegetable.
सबसे पहले अभियान से ही स्टार्ट करते
No, 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 no.
हैं। A for
Apple.
नेक्स्ट बी खाला जी।
B for banana.
Oh, yeah.
C for carrot।
D for dog.
D for मामी जी ने आपकी हेल्प की थी उसका।
Dragon fruit.
E for
E for
खाला जी।
No, K for Khalaji.
no.
Yes.
E for Khalaji.
E for elephant.
That's not a vegetable or a fruit.
Okay. Okay, next. Mama ji, it's okay. Pass. Mama ji.
Turn।
Oh.
And G for giraffe. Wait, just stop a little bit. So I'll just do, and you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4 5
What was it?
Now खाला जी start।
What was it?
Grapes.
What? What is
Grapes. 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 And it's Mama ji's turn.
Yeah.
H for
H for China? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
चले जी, अब अभियान की टर्न है। H
Yes. H.
No.
Yes.
Best. I'll best H.
H से हमें नहीं आ रहा, व्यूअर्स बताएंगे H से क्या है, कोई फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल।
Not a glue.
I
Let me think. Now you tell. I don't know.
1
I don't know. I
खाला
passed.
जी turn।
I passed.
Okay, what was that?
I
I.
No, it was H.
No, I.
No, I say ice cream. Oh.
That's not a fruit or a
No,
vegetable.
it's a mixture. Yeah. No, ice cream of mango.
You scream off the sample.
No.
Now I'm saying you.
Iceberg.
Iceberg.
Yes.
That's not a fruit.
Yes.
I have never heard that before.
You heard it now? It's okay. J.
J.
J for
Giraffe.
Jacket.
Jeep।
Jeep.
Jelly।
Jelly is not a fruit, neither it's vegetable.
No, not jelly.
Yes.
Jelly fruit.
No.
ये किसी को भी नहीं आता।
Yeah. Next K. J K L O.
आपकी बारी है।
No.
Yes.
Now it's Khalaji's turn.
No, I can say jasmine tea. Oh.
No, that's
yes.
not a fruit. That's
Nana
not.
tea.
Tea is not a fruit. That's a drink.
Yes, it's a drink.
Now let's.
Jasmine leaves, Abyan.
Jasmine leaf. I have a.
You heard it? Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
K for kangaroo।
No.
और सब कुछ माइंड में आ रहा है, वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट नेम नहीं आ रहा। K से
Carrot. Oh no.
C for carrot।
Oh no.
I know. Le.
Oh, tell us.
चले नहीं अब
Kiwi. Yeah.
That's not really another country there. I have never eaten that before, or you don't.
J K L
Lemon.
It was Mama ji's turn.
No.
Yes, I told kiwi.
L for lychee।
Lychee. Now lemon for me.
No. Okay. M for mango. Oh.
No.
N for noodles।
Noodles is not a fruit or a vegetable.
N for
No.
nuts।
Nuts. Yeah. That's not actually not. That's not a fruit.
खाला जी
Huh?
नारंगी.
Naranji. Say it in English. In English. In English.
English.
Ora dada.
No, English. Next क्या है?
W.
O.
It's W.
O.
Okay. Okay. Orange. 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 I know. I have taken your.
P.
Huh?
P.
Peas.
Oh, I'm thinking it is. You said O, so it's orange, not orange.
What was that, Abyan?
Now it's Q. Q for
Kiwi.
No.
Oh no.
Cune.
Cune. That's not a real word.
I
That's,
don't know.
I don't know too.
Khala ji.
Q?
Cune.
Cune.
1.
100 million. 1
Pass,
billion.
pass,
Past.
चलें जी, Q से हमें कुछ नहीं आया. ये भी वर्ड्स बताएंगे. Q के बाद क्या है नेक्स्ट?
QR.
R for
Wait, whose turn is this?
अभियान.
No, it's Khalaji's. I did orange, so now you
नहीं,
have
फिर
to
मेरी
do.
है. Q मेरे से स्टार्ट हुआ था, फिर आप दोनों को नहीं आया, फिर आगे फिर मेरी है. Q R for rabbit.
Rango.
Raspberry.
Rainbow.
चले नेक्स्ट
Now
क्या
S.
है?
S.
S. Snake.
Is it vegetable or fruit?
It's so easy, Abyan.
What is it?
Should I tell?
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Now T. T for tomato.
Tomato. For me.
Tomato.
Potato.
U.
You?
Yes.
You. Europe. That's a country, not. That's a country, bro.
Okay.
From Mbappe.
Mbappe. U.
You.
Urea.
What is a urea, bro? What is a urea?
चले जी, U से हमें नहीं आ रहा. U से भी वर्ड्स बताएंगे. नेक्स्ट क्या है?
W. V actually.
W.
What?
I know.
I don't know.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yeah. You didn't say. I said first now.
Oh.
What?
You did. We did say.
It's
We said it
X.
at the same time.
Okay. X.
Scrock.
कुछ भी नहीं आता.
No. X.
X से अगर कुछ आता है तो व्यूअर्स ही बताएंगे. आप नेक्स्ट क्या है?
Y. Yango. That's God, bro.
Y.
It's from Yango.
Yellow lemon.
Yellow lemon? No. That-
Yellow mango.
No.
Then what?
That's not
Z
anything.
for
Huh?
Z for
What is that? I can't hear you that much. Z4? That's not anything.
चलें जी, हमें ना Y से आया है और ना ही Z से आया है माइंड में. तो आपके माइंड में अगर आ रहा है तो आप लोग हमें बताइएगा, गाइड कीजिएगा.
In the comments?
आज आप स्कूल गए थे भैया?
No!
क्यों?
Not tomorrow either. That's why it's my today. Not even tomorrow.
तो
It's
इतने हैप्पी
Sunday.
क्यों होते हैं आप?
That's right. I have to be.
क्यों घर में स्कूल वाले आपको मारते हैं?
No, but I don't like it. That's why they're tests. And I don't like tests.
But why?
You're a crybaby.
आपके स्कूल में कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं?
1 billion.
नहीं, ठीक बताएं. क्लास में आपके कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं?
21, but
टोटल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं पूछ रही, आपके फ्रेंड्स पूछ रही.
wait, 9.
9 है. नेम्स बताएं उनके.
Zayan, Azlan, Mayan,
रेहान, कामरान,
Amzan,
सुहान,
Sohan,
अभियान,
Abyan,
नमान.
मेरा अभियान मेरा नाम है, तो मेरी फ्रेंड अमनक का.
अपने का फ्रेंड नहीं है आप? क्यों? अपने के फ्रेंड तो सबसे पहले अपने के होते हैं.
अपनी सेल्फ होते हैं.
हाँ जी.
No.
एंजॉय किए गेम आपने?
Yeah, but I have something for you.
What?
That you have to think of.
What?
Just give me a sec.
Check.
Yeah, that's a second.
होमवर्क हो गया है आपका?
Yes.
ओके जी, गुड
Yes.
बॉय। तो आप कब से स्कूल जा रहे हैं? मंडे से।
But tomorrow is Sunday.
यस।
If you like my video, subscribe my channel, like the video and comment. Oh, don't forget to press the
बेल आइकन।
yeah. Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
अभियान अभियान बॉय, अभियान बॉय, अभियान बॉय।
What the Sigma?